Hi guys, thanks again for watching. I am excited to be doing this Flash Friday, and I had a lot of inspiration from quite a few different beauty gurus and artists on Instagram and on YouTube. First off, Jamie Page Beauty, who is a Canadian YouTuber, and also like obsessed with her, and I cannot stop watching her Instagram stories, Katie Jane Hughes. She just does the most fun, simple, but unique looks, and I am living for them. So both of those have been big inspirations, and I will tag them here so you can check them out. So let's just jump on in. I'm going to zoom you in, and I'm going to show you the first step in this process. So the first thing you need is your black liquid liner. You know me, I use my Stila Stay All Day. I will post my video about that one here so you can check it out. So the first thing you're going to do is really simple. I don't need to talk you through it. You're just going to line your waterline. That sounded so hard to say. It's also because I said it like 10 times before this. So let's just zoom through that now. So I did not go all the way to the inner corner, but you can if you want. I just typically don't. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Fun Pop of Color. This is Wet n Wild MegaLiner. I think I got 2 for $4, so to say that they're cheap is an understatement. And they have a lot of pigment, and they have kind of this unique felt liner, and it's kind of like a little pot that you dip in there. So this is so much fun, and you really need just kind of a soft touch with it, so just let's watch. This stuff comes out very quickly and like at the slightest touch, so just be careful. I did make a mistake. I will go clean that up when I'm done. And it is quite opaque. So there is one eye done, and this one is with the black, just kind of on the outer edge toward the middle, and then on this side I'm just going to do a thin blue line just so you can see the difference. So there we have both eyes. This is just the blue. This is the blue and the black. You can see a little bit of a difference when you're up close, but I just wanted to show you that it really, you can go either way and it's kind of the same. So to add a little bit more spice to this look, I actually added a little of this, what is it? The Rimmel Wonder Swipe 2-in-1 liner to shadow. And I added a little gold on the inner part just to make it fun. Now when I zoom you guys back out, it's really not that noticeable, so let's take a look. So there we have our final look. You can definitely, I think you can see the blue. I think the gold is just like, it catches the light sometimes and you can find it then, but otherwise it's subtle, but it's still so much fun. I am just like loving this, and it's just fun because I've been wearing black eyeliner for so long, and I don't necessarily want to wear like eyeshadow every day, but this is just a fun, quick thing that gives you a pop of color, and I don't know, you can wear it anytime. I wear it to work and hardly anyone notices, so I think it's fun. Just try it. Like I said, this stuff is I think $2, so you're not going to break the bank, and if you hate it, I hope you guys like this video. I hope it was something different and something fun, and even if you're never going to do it, it's just fun to watch. So definitely give me a big like and subscribe below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!